How to find someone's insurance company. Many folks in Louisville think that purchasing auto insurance is one of the last things that they'd want to do with their time. What a lot of drudgery they think, and because auto insurance is also absolutely essential if you want to legally drive a vehicle in Louisville, Kentucky, many folks want to get the process over with as soon as possible. This is understandable as the subject is rather dry and at first glance does seem rather daunting. But the evidence is in, and the fact is, if you opted for the first quote that you got either through a referral from a friend, relative, or through a response to an advertisement, the odds are pretty good that you're paying too much for your auto insurance in Louisville. The truth is, if you set aside a half an hour or so to investigate the following two auto insurance buying tips and familiarize yourself with the basics of auto insurance, you'll be well served for the rest of your driving career. If you already drive in Louisville, then no doubt you already have some kind of auto insurance. But consider for a moment where else could you reasonably invest a small amount of your time and potentially receive hundreds of dollars or more of real savings in your pocket. Auto insurance is an expense that you can't avoid, and therefore if you could save a few $100s and in some cases a few $1,000s, this would immediately go to improving the quality of your financial life. Whether you've been driving for decades in the Louisville area or whether you're a beginning driver just starting out, there's no better time than right now to learn the benefits of shopping around for your auto insurance needs. Shopping around for your auto insurance coverage is a relatively simple matter, and you'll find that you can quickly do the research and act on an offer if it's compelling enough. Shopping for a new vehicle? It's also the ideal time to shop around for insurance. Shopping for a new auto? Chances are you've got several that you're looking at. But you should know that there can be significant differences in the cost to insure similar makes and models. The difference could even influence your purchasing decision. The cost of insuring similar cars in Louisville may vary widely because of the insurer's average cost to repair the vehicle or the vehicle's popularity with thieves or a number of other reasons. Find out before you purchase by insurance comparison shopping online. Many people already know that raising your deductible can lower your auto insurance premiums. A word of caution though, don't overdo it. If you do have to submit a claim, you'll have to pay the entire deductible out of your own pocket. Make sure that it's an amount that you can afford, otherwise your automobile will end up not being repaired properly, will depreciate in value more rapidly, and may even be a greater danger to yourself and others on the road. Also consider the usefulness of comprehensive auto insurance if your vehicle is worth less than $1,000. In most cases it just doesn't make sense. You would probably be better off putting the amount of money that you would have spent in a savings account and building up a cash reserve in case it is needed. If you have an accident and wreck your vehicle, the most you'll get from your insurance company will be the actual wholesale value of the vehicle. That might not be very much at all. Raising your deductibles to save money now could make a lot of sense for you, but it only works if the deductible that you choose is affordable and you've given some thought to a few what-if scenarios. While the two above-mentioned tips are the easiest to implement and potentially save on your auto insurance in Louisville, Kentucky, they are in no way the complete list. If you want to save as much as possible, you'll want to explore things like anti-auto theft measures, different car models and safety features, and having one insurance company service all of your insurance needs. With a bit of research, it would be surprising if you don't find a way to save enough money to more than justify the small investment of your time.